Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Learn now from your learning partner. In today's video we're going to discuss about how to insert the shapes in Power BI and how to use it. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, we are explaining everything in detail that you need to know, so please watch our playlist mentioned above to start learning from the scratch, and if you are new to our channel then don't forget to subscribe, so that you don't miss out your learning. Shapes are a great way to add additional visual elements to your reports and dashboards. So, let's get started. To insert a shape, go to the Insert tab in the ribbon and click on the Shape option. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select the type of shape you want to insert. In the drop-down menu, you can choose from a variety of shapes such as rectangles, circles, triangles, hexagon, pentagon, line, and arrows. Once you've selected the shape, click and drag the mouse to create it on your report. Once you've inserted the shape, you can format it by clicking on it and going to the Format tab in the ribbon. Here, you can change the shape's color, border, shadow, and other properties to match your report style. You can also resize and position the shape by clicking and dragging it to the desired size and location on your report. To resize the shape, click on it and drag the handles on the corners. If you want to add text to the shape, you can do so by clicking on it and typing in the text you want to include. You can also format the text by using the options in the ribbon, and that's it. Adding shapes to your Power BI report is a simple and effective way to enhance its visual appeal. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching.